She never thought walking away would be the most dangerous decision of her life. Her name was Carrie Ann, 25, a slim-built, dark-skinned girl with a gentle spirit and a heavy past. She lived in Eltham View, Spanish Town, with her little daughter, Tanoia, and her mother, Miss Dottie. For 2 years, Carrie Ann had been trapped in a toxic relationship with a man named Sean. Sean is a man who was charming to the world, but a devil behind closed doors. He never liked her having friends. Never liked when she went out. And the moment she tried to leave, he snapped.
Me tell you already, you know, Kerry, if you ever try to leave me, I go mash up everything. You hear me? Everything. And me go make certain say, I make your life a living hell. So try it.
After one brutal night, when Carrie Ann ended up with a busted lip and a bruised rib, she packed up her things in silence, took her daughter, and went straight to her mother's house. But Sean wasn't done. He would drive past her house at odd hours of the night. Sometimes he would sit across the road in his car just watching. One night Miss Dottie was woken up by a sound outside. The gate creaked. Her eyes darted to the clock. 2:47 a.m.? She peeked through the window and saw him standing by the mango tree, shirtless, holding something in his hand.
Carrie, me know you're in there. Come out before I come for you.
Carrie Ann froze. Her phone lit up. One message. From Sean.
May I give you one last chance for come out and talk to me. Cause after tonight, you'll go sorry.
She dropped the phone. Suddenly, the back door handle started to shake. Carrie Ann ran to lock the kitchen door. Her heart was pounding so loud she could barely hear her own thoughts. Miss Dottie whispered,
"Be go call the police."
But by the time the siren echoed from the main road, Sean was gone just like smoke. The next few weeks were like hell. Carrie Ann couldn't work in peace. He followed her to the plaza, sent threatening messages from fake numbers, and even bribed one of her friends to tell him where she was staying. One day, she got a strange call.
You think you're smart, eh? I know where you work now. Watch and see if me no reach there.
That was the final straw. Carrie Ann packed up again and went to stay in Portmore with her cousin, Shelley. But not even that stopped him. He started showing up at Shelley's workplace, asking questions, pretending he just wanted to apologize. One evening, while Carrie Ann was walking to the corner shop, she saw a car pulled up. It looked familiar. Tinted windows, engine idling. She stopped. Her gut told her to run. But before she could move, the car doors swung open and it wasn't Sean inside. It was someone else, someone she never expected to see again. Someone who had a connection to Sean and a secret that could change everything.